When you're looking for something random to do, check out this channel. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's random video, we are going to be picking some of the cucumbers that are ready. So I noticed this one was ready a couple days ago, and it looks like it's ready to be picked. I have some hummus inside the house that I would love to eat this with, so we're going to pick it. It looks like a few little buggies have been eating off of it, so that's how you know it's good. So we're just gonna pick this. Not really sure how to. You know what? I think I'm gonna go get some snippers. So let's go get some of those. So I went to go get some snippers. I got these ones right here. I got these at an estate sale or a garage sale or something like that for only a few bucks. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And it looks like this branch here fell. So we'll probably have to try and put that back up here somehow. But let's focus on this one. I'm just gonna cut it right here, bing, and that's it. So hopefully that one coming off will make this little one right here grow a little bit faster. And I'm just gonna move some of these around so I can get some extra room for the rest of these plants. But we got another one growing here, and we've got this really big one over here that's growing, so we can pull that in a couple days. But that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. If you would like to see me do something special, write it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.